Are you ready to transform your cooking experience with an appliance that does it all? Meet the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 4QT Air Fryer, a compact, powerful and versatile kitchen companion designed for busy families and individuals alike. Whether you're cooking for 2 or 3, this 3.79 quart air fryer is perfectly sized for your countertop and brings a whole new level of convenience and efficiency to your kitchen. Imagine being able to air fry, broil, roast, dehydrate, bake and reheat your favorite dishes, all with just one appliance. With a temperature range from 120 degrees to 400 degrees and 6-in-1 functionality, you can whip up everything from crispy fries and tender chicken to perfectly baked desserts and even dried fruits. Its one-touch smart programs make it incredibly easy to use. Simply select the function you need and let the air fryer do the rest. No guesswork, no wasted time, and most importantly, consistently delicious results every single time. Powered by a robust 1600 W motor and constructed with durable stainless steel, this air fryer employs EvenCrisp technology to deliver that ideal balance of crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. The secret is in its design: rapid, efficient, and with little to no preheating time required. That means you can go from planning dinner to serving it in minutes, making it the perfect solution for busy weeknights or spontaneous get-togethers. And let's talk about cleanup. It's a breeze. The non-stick air fry basket and tray are dishwasher safe, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meal. Whether you're an experienced cook or just starting out, the ease of maintenance makes this appliance a practical choice for anyone looking to simplify their kitchen routine. Now here's something super important. Always buy original products and stay away from copies to ensure you receive the high-quality performance and durability these trusted brands are known for. That's why I've shared the official product link in the description below, so you know you're getting the real deal, with full features, warranty, and the support you deserve. Over 8,000 satisfied customers have already upgraded their cooking with the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 4QT air fryer, and the reviews are in. People love its speed, versatility, and the delicious, consistent results it delivers. From perfectly crisped fries to juicy, succulent meats, this air fryer is changing the way people cook at home. So if you're ready to embrace a healthier cooking method that saves time and brings out incredible flavors in your food, it's time to take the plunge. Click the link in the description to order your Instant Pot Vortex Plus 4QT air fryer today. Trust me, once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever cooked without it. Enjoy quick, hassle-free cooking and elevate your meals to a whole new level.